Hello boys and girls, this is Mrs. Payne here, and today in maths we're going to be looking at doubling. So what is doubling? Well, to double means to have the same amount again. So if I have a number and I add the same number onto itself again, that's doubling. So imagine I've got 2 bananas and I want to know what is double 2 bananas. So I add on another 2 bananas. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. That means that double 2 is 4. So today we're learning how to double numbers. And why are we learning this? Because it's very important to remember why we are learning things. We're learning this so that we can, if we add on the same amount again, we know how much we have all together. It's one of our star words. So imagine that I've got 3 buttons and I want to know how much would be double 3. Well, have a look here. Can you see the number 3 on the number line at the bottom? If you can, point to the number 3 on the number line. Now I want to know if we had another 3 buttons, how many would I have altogether? So double 3 is what? Have a think, use the number line to help you, and say the number if you think you know the answer. Now let's see the answer. There we go. We add on another 3 and we have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that double 3 is 6. We've added the same amount again. Sorry for the flashing buttons there. Now we're going to do the same thing with pencils. How many pencils do I have here? That's right, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. Can you point to the number 4 on the number line at the bottom of your screen? Now I want to know what is double 4. So if I add on the same number of pencils again, how many do I have? See 4 on the number line. See if you can tell me what double 4 is. Let's find out. There we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So double 4 is 8. You can do the same activity with lots of objects in your home. You can use, if you have any cubes or Lego, you can do this activity as well, building a tower. So you start off building a tower with 2 cubes, then build another tower that is exactly the same as the one you already have, and then put them on top of each other. How many do you have all together? You can see we've got 2 plus 2 is 4, so double 2 is 4. Here's another example with 3 cubes. Build a tower with 3 cubes, then build the same tower again, put them on top of each other, and how many do you have all together? That way you can see what double 3 is. I'll leave that one for you to do. Now we can do the same thing with a dice. So if you've got a dice at home, you can practice this yourself. I've rolled a dice here and I've rolled a 5. See if you can find the number 5 on the number line below. What is double 5? So now I'm doing the same thing but without objects to help me count, but I can still use my fingers and I could still use the number line. So double 5, have a think. What do you think 5, adding another 5 on, would be? Okay, and the answer is 10. So if you see number 5 on our number line and we add 5 on again, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That takes us to 10. And you can practice this game yourself using this doubles hop-in game, which is on our home learning document. You can either print out this sheet or you can make one yourself with a piece of paper and just copy the numbers that you see on the screen right now onto your sheet. What you do is you roll a dice, then you double what's on your dice, and then you need to find that number on the sheet. So if I rolled a 3, then I would double it. Okay, double 3 is 6. Aha, I can see 6 on the sheet here. So then I cover it, or you could colour it in if you wanted to. And then keep going until the whole sheet is full. If you want to complete it with a friend or a brother and sister, then you could each do it with a different colour and see who colours in the most first. Okay, have fun with your doubling and enjoy your maths today. Bye, Year 1.